For unmatched versatility and advanced functionality, look no further than the Benro S Pro Video Monopod Kit. Featuring uncompromising performance, this monopod is compact, portable, and a versatile tool for videographers on the go. Constructed with high-strength aluminum, its stability and support is second to none. This 4-section monopod utilizes adjustable high-grade reinforced flip locks for drastically increased longevity, featuring a 3-leg locking base with ball joint for smooth and stable shots. And they also reverse fold for compact travel. Each kit is coupled with an S Pro head, providing you with uncompromising performance. Supporting an impressive 13.2 pounds, the S6 Pro head features a continual fluid drag control coupled with a 6-step counterbalance, allowing you to capture smooth pans and tilts. At one size smaller, the S4 Pro head supports up to 8.8 pounds, featuring 360-degree panning and dynamic tilt movement. By engaging the additional counterbalance spring from the back of the head, you can add even more precision to your shots. The S Pro heads feature a pan arm that is interchangeable, so it can be mounted to either side. An integrated bubble level adds even more precision to your shots. Also featuring a CNC machined quick release plate system, an included quarter 20 and 3/8-16 camera screws with built-in storage. The sliding adjustable plate with scale gives you the ability to balance your camera, while a safety lock prevents it from slipping too far. Mounting threads on each side of the heads allow you to mount accessories like monitors or audio recorders. The padded grip on the leg provides comfortable, positive handling at all times. The included wrist strap provides convenient, secure handling. When it's time to pack up and go, just throw your kit into the included carrying case and you're on your way. Check out the rest of the S Pro series heads and kits if you're looking for even more payload capacity and versatility. Spend less time setting up and more time shooting with the compact and versatile Benro S Pro Monopod Kit. So, what are you waiting for? Let's go!
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. For more of the latest and greatest on camera support gear, subscribe to our Benro YouTube channel.